Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we solve Bluetooth network problem in our Redmi mobile. Guys, you want to solve your Bluetooth network problem. So when how to solve Bluetooth network problem in our Redmi phone today, I will show you guys in this video. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, now let's see how to solve Bluetooth network problem. Well, first of all open your phone setting, then guys scroll it. Once you can see this type of setting, so how to solve Bluetooth network problem. Click on guys this more setting guys, this tap here. Well last guys you can see network reset setting guys, tap here. Once you can see Bluetooth setting guys, tap on Bluetooth setting, and guys you can see reset setting guys, tap here. After click on guys reset setting guys, you can see this type of notification. So then what will you have to do? So you have your pattern lock, so you will have to do your pattern, and when you have any password, so you will have to enter any password, means you will have to enter your password. So I will draw my pattern to solve this Bluetooth network problem. Then guys OK option, tap here, come. Then guys we will off our screen, and guys now we will on it. So friends, now you can open your phone Bluetooth setting without any problem guys. You can use your Bluetooth setting. After solve this problem you have problem, so don't worry guys, take a screenshot of your phone model number, send in comment section, I will check, I will help you. So friends, now Bluetooth problem is solved, and guys you can use your Bluetooth setting. You want to connect any device, you can connect and disconnect from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye.